Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into something that's not just smart, it's essential. This is the AIPER Scuba X1 from the global leader in smart yard innovation. AIPER has been pushing boundaries in cordless pool tech, and with the Scuba X1, they've really outdone themselves. This isn't just a vacuum, it's your pool's personal caretaker. Let's talk power. With dual jets pushing 6,600 gallons per hour, the Scuba X1 tackles even the toughest debris. And the 4 PVC brushes, they scrub your pool floor with some serious force. So dirt, leaves, and algae don't stand a chance. Whether it's leaves or fine particles, everything is pulled into the micro mesh ultra fine filter system. A first in the industry, so maintenance is a breeze. The X1 has a cleaning range of over 2,100 square feet, and it can run for up to 180 minutes on a single charge. That's 3 full hours of automatic cleaning and zero effort on your part. Thanks to its Waveline 2.0 upgrade, you can get up to 60 seconds of constant contact waterline cleaning with incredible stability, thanks to dual rear nozzles and a low profile body. From grime to gleam in seconds. Now let's talk brains. The Scuba X1 isn't just powerful, it's smart. With WavePath 3.0 navigation powered by high-precision DTOF sensors, it glides effortlessly, avoiding obstacles and maximizing coverage.
It has 5 awesome vacuum modes: wall, waterline, floor, auto, or eco mode.
You can customize exactly how your pool gets cleaned. Whether it's a quick refresh or a deep scrub, there's a mode for it. Now, if you want to really take your smart yard to the next level, meet the optional Hydro Calm Pro. This device is like a smartwatch for your pool. Not sure how to balance your water? Hydro Calm Pro provides expert recommendations. They even have a score system helping you care for your pool like a pro. No more guesswork. Underwater communications make that possible. So if you're ready to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying, the AIPER Scuba X1, cleaner water, smarter maintenance, more free time. That's what AIPER delivers. And this little powerhouse proves it. Here's a nice bonus. It's built with a multi-layer filtration system that's easy to remove. Maintenance takes just a couple of minutes. You can switch between modes using the AIPER app, and it works cordlessly. And when it's done, it climbs to the pool wall for easy retrieval. There's also one button control if you want to keep it simple. No app required. Alright, after putting the AIPER Scuba X1 through its paces, I've got to say, this is probably one of the easiest and most complete pool cleaners I've ever used. From the second you turn it on, it feels like a different class of product. No hoses, no cords, no did it really clean, no doubts. You charge it, drop it in, and it gets to work. The cordless design makes a huge difference. I didn't have to fight with the cables or figure out where to plug it in. It's just self-contained and ready to go. That alone makes this thing feel smarter than most pool gear. But what really impressed me was the navigation. The WavePath 3.0 system isn't just a fancy name, it actually works. You can watch it as it maps out your pool, makes sharp turns, avoids obstacles, and actually covers the entire floor, walls, and even that tricky waterline where all the grime builds up. And the climbs. That's not something I say lightly because a lot of cleaners say they climb, but they don't. This one really does. It grips the walls, hits the curbs, and goes all the way up to scrub where the water meets the tile. That's a huge win. The suction power is also no joke. 6,600 gallons per hour. I've seen it pull in everything from fine silt to random leaves, even some gravel. And the filter basket, just easily take it out, pop it out, rinse it, and you're done. Also, you get 3 hours of battery life, which is more than enough to fully clean even a large pool in one run. And the best part, when it's done, it doesn't just stop. It returns to the edge and parks itself. It does come with this that you can attach to the pole, and it helps you to retrieve it as well. The app control and smart docking are just icing on the cake. You get full control if you want it, or you could just let it run and trust it'll do the job. It's honestly a set it and forget it type of cleaner, and that's exactly what most of us want. So yeah, if you're looking for a pool robot that actually delivers, yeah, the AIPER Scuba X1 is easy to recommend. It's super powerful, reliable, and takes a huge chore completely off your hands.